available here at the airport. I like the fact that they have multiple languages, you know. And then on Google Maps, you'll see like exit towards A5. Makes it super easy. Like the machine, you can select different languages. That's for the subway. You could recharge your card, but I think search by popular attraction, and it'll give you like where you're going and then how much exactly you're gonna pay if you don't know. 7-Eleven or Family Mart. Which one is the best one? Oh man, this is cool. I always wanted to come to Japan. Flags, and then it's upstairs. So when you're at Ichiban, you come, the menu's on the right, and then you pay the little machine right here, right? And it's the same order as the photos right there. It tells you how many yen. So you pay the machine, you select, and it prints out. I got a pork ramen with a 300 yen drink. So it's like 1100. Super cool. And then you go back outside, and then once you get to your table, you hand them the ticket. Okay, so the one for $1,000, it's decent size. Pork is take that. But if you get the special one, it has more. Let's see if you can see the letters. Yeah, I think you see it. Anyway. The train runs right above the building, so it shakes when you're eating, but it's so delicious. White sign over there. Ginza shops. This is like New York. If you close your eyes, actually the people over here don't honk as much as New York. But if you close your eyes, sounds just like New York. The hustle and the bustle. So there's a cool little street right here with a bunch of shops. Actually, before we went to the restaurant, that's what I heard. But I thought it was a dude's suitcase. Anyway, before we went to the restaurant, all of these shops were open. But I know the store that I want to go to. Mira. The store I want to go to, they close at 8, so I'm pretty sure they started closing up shop at 8. Yeah. That's cool though. It's like 8:10 already. Actually, what time is it? 8:20? Something like that. Fish song on there. Ugly TV, man. 8 centimeters. Wow. Won't play 100 yen. The PS5. Oh, cool. That's cool. Let me fix your sign, my dude. There you go. That's cool. Let's see how the crane looks. Whoa, what the? Where's the crane? Every plate wins? 2,000 yen? God damn, that's almost 10 bucks. Oh no, 2,000 yen. Yeah, it's like $15, $17, something like that. Oh, but you can wear some Black Phantoms. What if you don't get shit? Gotcha. Louis Vuitton. That's cool. I hear somebody upstairs. What's this? Pokemon? Oh, that's the one that sounds good. I gotta get me some of that. PSA box, one plate, 2,000 yen. Damn, that's a lot. $15 for a mystery prize. All the big ones are gone. Ooh. Why does this one doesn't have a plastic film and then that one has a plastic film on it? Did they open it? Son of a... Oh, look at that. PSA 10. How do I know if that's real or not? Interesting. Damn, that's cool. Let's see how much these are worth. Oh, I probably don't have reception. No, I don't have reception. Oh, I'll check tomorrow. It's me, Mario. We're in the same street. This reminds me of Daiso, Japan. Well, I mean, we are in Japan, but individually priced stuff. 1,500. It's like $12 US. Oh, look at the Pokeballs. Remember when Burger King used to give the Pokeballs? 600. So that's like 450. Like the ones that have chocolate inside. 98? That's cool. That's less than $1. It's about 75 cents. Really cool. Of course, Pokey. No, pues vámonos para acá. Here, medicine. Green tea. Oh. Move the decimal. It'll be under $9.80. Straight Daiso. Cool. These like vitamins for knee pain. Wowzer. Well, I came for an umbrella. You have an umbrella here. These Band-Aids. Hello Kitty Band-Aids. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it. I'm hilarious. Oops. Okay, there's too many people here. Let's go. Are those the ones you're talking about? How much are those?
298 yen.
Interesting. 258. 258, yeah. Okay. Not look to your left. Game title station. And it's not flickering in this camera. But look at this. Games galore. Upstairs, downstairs. Oh, that drum one. Oh man. Oh, you know what? There's have you ever been to round one? Yeah, there's round ones here too. Oh, there's a third level. Mind blown. Like rows and rows and rows and rows and rows of photo booths. Wow. Oh, that's so fake. Look at the drinks. They're cut in half. You don't get the one with the bug. Look, they're cut in half. It's crazy, huh? Coke Zero. Can you pay with your tap card? Yeah, right there. Pasmo. Sucia. It's cool, look. You could buy either a token or whatever you get from the restaurant. Pretty cool. And then you have Mario Kart. Oh. Cool. This is cool. So it's like a coin pusher. The first I was watching the female play next to me. So the first one, you push it and you bring the scooper and you scoop the meat, and then it brings it to here, and then the second one is to drop it. Let's play. It's 100. Oh, 100 for 3 please. Where do I put it? Here? Best of luck. Do I push this? I have no idea. Nice. Nice. Okay. And then we're gonna press it again to release. Oh, and then you can wait to see if it pushes anything. That was a dud. Oh wow, they fell to the side. That's whack. I think I have some coins in my pocket. Is this, what, how much is this? I don't know if this is it. I don't think so. I think that's like 10 cents. Yeah, these are like 10 cents. Oh well. Yeah, this lady just got like a handful of little sausages. Oh, look at this other coin pusher. What are these? Whoa, look at that. Caramel marble. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Choco babies. But for my I've seen coin pushers, when they're like all stacked up like this, it's harder for them to fall. So that's the trick right there. Pretty cool though. Really messed up. I put the 100 piece, but it was 3 plays. And I only played once and I gave up and I thought my play was over. But it's actually, dang it, somebody else played that second one because I had an extra one. No, I just wanted to play it for the play.
Do it again.
No, it's cool. Salted butter flavor. Okay, I'm gonna try the spicy.